Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Brawl Stars stuck on connecting to the server. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue here? Well, the thing here, what you need to do is you first need to make sure that you have a stable interconnection. Now, not having a stable interconnection here can actually cause problems within the app. Now in this case, go ahead and switch over to a Wi-Fi connection or switch to your mobile data and see if that solves the issue. Now in this case, once you're sure your interconnection is not the issue, what you need to do next is you want to guarantee that you're using the latest version of the game, which in this case, go ahead and visit the Google Play Store and see if there are any updates. Usually when you open up the app itself or the game itself, it will automatically update itself. Now, another thing that you can do here is to clear your cache. So if you're not familiar, cache is going to be temporary files that is within the app itself. So look for Brawl Stars here, press and hold on it, click on app info. And from here, you want to click on clear data at the bottom right. And from here, choose the option that says clear cache. Click on OK. And from here on, going to open it up and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.